Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to take the time and go over some tips and tricks with you today on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of this video, if you can give me some feedback and let me know if it was helpful, I would greatly appreciate it. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Can't quite figure out how to get this cookie things away. I don't know where the X button or accept button. Oh, there it goes. Sorry about that. So, content, backlinks, and citations. So, content is going to be anything that's made up here on your front page. Any words that you use, photos that you use, how your photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. So, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your websites to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help in the long run. So I did input your information into a tool that we use here called Ahrefs, and that's to so with this website, I'm able to overlook the analytics of your website here. So the first thing that's up is going to be the trust and the strength of your website. So it's on a scale of 100, and you want to be able to even it out as much as possible while it's building up. Then you're also ranking here for 2 keywords. Now, the other thing is backlinks. You have 0 backlinks from 0 referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are definitely not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show in comparison to some people that are coming up as competitors here. So I forgot to bring one up here. What you want to do is you want to definitely get yourself on the map pack here, which you are. I see you right here. Now the idea is to build up your strength and keep you on this map pack is anywhere that you're providing, like your service areas are provided, and be able to keep you ranking up there above your competitors. So we checked out their website here. Your thing is just not wanting to work for me. Is it? I had it working a minute ago. My internet decided to go kerplip. All right, everything doesn't want to work. But I pulled up their website or their analytics on their website. So with that, we're able to see their strength and their trust as well. See that they have some backlinks. They don't have keywords either. But that was just one competitor out of different ones that you could find on there. And basically, the idea is to be able to check out different competitors in the area and to be able to um, go over and see what their keywords are, what their backlinks are. The idea is you basically want to build off of not only what they have, as long as it's good, strong backlinks, but utilize that and be able to go and build off of theirs. So here we go. This one has some good keywords. So right here with this, you'll be able to go through and see like Brentwood electrician. If you have Brentwood as a service area, this would be a buyer intent keyword, and that would be able to, when people start looking for specific services in that area, rank you and get them to be able to see you. Like you have electrician Vacaville, Brentwood, let's see, Yuba City, that's probably a little too far. But this just gives you an idea of being able to see, what service areas, what services you offer, and be able to build off of those keywords as well. So I just want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make this video for you, and I appreciate it if you give me any feedback to let me know if any of these tips and tricks were helpful. And I will be linking my phone number and my email to this, so that way whenever you have any questions, you could call, text, email, whatever works best for you. I greatly appreciate your time. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.